Gus Schmidt, and I'm back again with a new trading video. So today I'm on the Pocket Option platform, and I'm going to be trading stocks on the platform. So when we click on our assets here on the platform, we have various assets available to trade: currencies, cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, and indices. So today I'm going to be focusing on regular stocks, not the OTC stocks that are available, but the regular stocks here, like Boeing, Facebook, Johnson and Johnson. So when you check off the stars, the star icons here, they show up at the top of the chart here: Microsoft, Alibaba, Citigroup. So I can easily go through and analyze each of the various stocks. Okay. So I'm going to be utilizing two moving averages here. And the two moving averages, when we select our moving averages right here, click it on twice. So we have two lines here. Okay, so my first moving average setting, I've set it to 5 period EMA, exponential moving average. And that is the green line here. And I've increased the line width to 2 pixels. So we go ahead and save that, which is the green. The 5 EMA is the green. And for the second moving average, I've selected period 15 EMA, exponential moving average, which I've set to white, and I've increased the line pixels to 2. So we can see the lines a little bit better on the chart here. And for my candlestick chart, I have my candle set to 1 minute, regular Japanese candles here. And for my trade timer, I've also set it to 1 minute. So I'll be taking fast 60-second trades. Okay. All right. So I'm going to pause the video and look for some stock setups. Okay. So I'm on Exxon Mobil, and I just took a buy trade here. And the reason why I took the buy trade here is we see the green 5 EMA line crossing the white 15 EMA line here in an upward direction. So this suggests a bullish momentum to the upside here over the next 60 seconds in the price of Exxon Mobil. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration here. Okay, we won that trade. Wait for that crossover, the 5 EMA crossing the 15 EMA. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Microsoft, and I just took a sell trade here. And the reason why I took the sell trade here, we have the 5 EMA crossing the 15 EMA here in a downward direction. So this suggests a bearish momentum to the downside in the price of the stock over the next 60 seconds. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so let me pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Boeing, and I just took a sell trade here. And the reason why I took the sell trade is I noticed the crossover of the 5 EMA with the white 15 EMA line here in a downward direction. Got a strong bearish candle here. So this crossover suggests a bearish reversal here to the downside over the next 60 seconds. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, good. We caught that. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Cisco here, and I just took a buy trade. And the reason why I took the buy trade here, if you see here, the 5 EMA crosses over the 15 EMA here in an upward direction, suggesting a bearish reversal, excuse me, a bullish reversal to the upside in the price of Cisco over the next 60 seconds. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, great. So we won that trade. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for our next setup. Okay, so I'm on Johnson and Johnson stock, and I just took a sell trade here. And the reason why I took the sell trade, I began seeing these bearish candles here, suggesting the beginning of a reversal here. And so also the 5 EMA is set to cross the 15 EMA here to the downside. So this suggests a continued bearish momentum to the downside here. And you see the 5 EMA is crossing over, crossing below. So we won that trade. And so I'm going to end the trading session here. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment if you have any uh, questions about the strategy. Subscribe to my channel to keep up to date with my latest trading strategies. I also have a link to the trading platform in the video comments and or the channel description. Also, I wanted to say that I've only been risking about 2% of my capital, 1 to 2% of my capital. Uh, you don't want to risk huge percentages of your capital because eventually you will sustain losses. And so big trades can result in big losses. The whole idea is that you maintain consistently profitable trades, follow the rules of the strategy, thereby growing your account over the long term. This is not a get rich quick scheme. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Gus Schmidt.